Hi, my name is Vishwajit, and I am into wealth management business, and I occupied this office in the year 2019. We decided to move, in the sense opting for one office in last quarter of 2019, and I think after taking the decision, we took almost 2-3 months to get the process done, and we got our office by the end of 2019. The point which I'll be saying why I liked, because of the location. So it was a premium location. We are sitting next to Eon and the next building of World Trade Center. So that's the first thing which we took a call, we should move it. We opt for, like, we look for other options as well, like there are a few options available in Kharadi and all, but because of location we opted this. I'll say we took just 1.5 months, because we are doing towards the end of this project. Means almost all offices were gone, few units were left, and we took that. I think the last 1-2 months were there when Rosu was actually delivering all the projects. During that time, we started the process, and hardly it took 1.5 months to complete all the process, and we got our registration done, and we got the delivery in time. There was no delay from any side. Like, even like all the process was happening very smoothly. The team who was handling my case, and even few of my colleagues, they also took it together. So everything happened quite smoothly. Yeah, I'll say even not only my clients or something like that, I'll say those who are into kind of nowadays startup is booming and all, who are into professionals and all, so they can offer such offices which if you're like staying in a rental space, paying rent 30, 40, 50,000 rupees, with the same monthly expense, you can opt for one office which is of a same size, and you'll also get the benefit of this appreciation, property appreciation, apart from this having your own office and all. The first thing which I'll say obviously the location which they have the plot, is like the land parcel, so that's the first benefit. So this was I think this is the commercial project which is in a very good location. They are doing, I think, something like Viman Nagar also, that is also very premium location. So that's the first benefit which I'll say. You'll get a very premium location, and obviously construction and all. So obviously it's like nowadays everything is happening as per the current construction norms and all. So I used to work from a co-work space. I think from 2016 7 till 2017-18 I was working in a co-work space, and from there I moved to this office, and the team is growing. Obviously I took 6 offices in the same building. Obviously those are taken as a rent, but obviously, so it was super for me. From moving from a rented space to having a space of my own, it makes difference, and even it impacts, like you are owning a space and someone is visiting you and looking at you. Yeah, he has done something and he's owning a space at a premium location. It gives some positive impact in overall business growth. So let's rise with Sukh Development.